legends was attacked and fell from the sky, splitting into 5 elements. They disappeared and were feared lost. In their absence, an evil erupted and seized the land. But after 12 years, the elements re-emerged. Raindrop, water. Xiao Yin, wood. Jin-ho, metal. Niwa, earth. And Flamo, fire. They must join forces in battle against evil if peace and harmony is to be restored. Master Raindrop.
General Boo will never find us in all this vegetation.
Yeah, we must be hours ahead of him by now.
Which gives us time to stop and smell the mangoes.
Jin-ho, we'll never stay ahead of Boo if you keep playing around.
I can always catch up. Ta-da! I've got a helping hand, remember?
Your monkey paw's not a toy, Jin-ho.
Oh, what's the point of having powers if we can't have a little fun with them?
Because we're on a serious quest and should only use our powers for serious business.
Like a huge, impossible-to-cross chasm blocking our path?
Exactly. What? See? This is what we need our powers for. Something serious. All aboard.
Come on, Jin-ho.
Just a minute!
Ew! Yuck!
Oh, yeah! Very serious, Xiao Yin. Now, watch a master at work. Monkey away!
Don't, Jin-ho! Your paw's covered in mango juice!
Why did you go?
Jin-ho!
Jin-ho, are you all right?
I'm okay, but I think my monkey paw's hurt.
Maybe a little massage will fix it. Let's hope so. We need all our powers to stay ahead of Boo.
Aha! This will stop those puny elements in their tracks. I have created a toxic weapon so evil they will be powerless against it. Aha!
A teapot?
Yes, a teapot. A teapot containing tea. Not just any tea. I have mastered the formula of Meng Po's legendary 5-flavored tea of forgetfulness. What? One sip of this, and the elements will forget all about their quest to raise the golden dragon.
But aren't you forgetting something? We don't even know where the elements are.
There. Try it now, Jin-ho.
It's getting worse. My poor monkey paw's done for. Kaput!
See? This is what comes of fooling around with it.
I don't see you trying to fix it, Miss Serious.
Come on. There's got to be some way we can make it well again.
That's it! The well!
What well?
The Well of Wellness. Master Yun told us about it in class. I wrote it up in my notebook.
Yeah, you would've.
The Well of Wellness is a legendary well full of magic water that can cure any illness. And it's not far from here.
Woohoo! Magic water, here we come! Which way?
Back that way.
But we need to go this way.
So it's a little detour. What's the big deal?
No big deal. Just putting our quest in danger, that's all.
What? Don't look at me like it's my fault.
It is your fault. The monkey paw wouldn't be injured if you'd taken better care of it.
Cool it, you two. It's not that big a detour. Besides, it's not like Boo knows where we're going.
So that's where they're going. Flamo, land the flying fortress. This is shaping up to be a day I'll never forget. But the elements soon will.
You rang, almighty and fearless, blah, blah, blah.
Yes, get out your best tea set. I have a little job for you.
Ah, whoop-de-doo. Nearly there, Monkey Paw.
According to my notebook, the well is this way.
Then let's go. Last one to the well's a rotten element.
Wait! My notes say the path to the well is a maze that's full of traps. We can't go in until we've studied the map.
But we don't have time. My monkey's paw's getting worse by the minute.
We do it by the book.
We can figure it out as we go along.
Lighten up, you two.
Arguing isn't helping anybody.
Oh.
Perhaps some tea will calm things down. A tea ceremony is a traditional way of resolving conflict and calming the nerves.
Maybe she's right. And it will give me time to study the maze.
This is the biggest waste of time since sliced rice.
No, it's not, Jinho. It's the right thing to do. And it won't take long at all.
I know how to make it go quicker. No!
No!
Keep your claws on. One of the elements drank the tea, the silly wood girl.
Xiao Yin, then all is not lost.
What's happening? I feel dizzy. Where am I? How did I get here? Who's there? Hello? Can you help me? I'm lost and I don't know where I am. Or who I am.
Your name is Xiao Yin, and I'm General Boo.
We're Flamo and Grub.
And we're your friends.
We're here. What's the first clue, Xiao Yin?
Where'd she go?
She must be back in the forest.
Look, her notebook.
She'd never leave that behind. She must be nearby.
Xiao Yin!
Where are you?
She's with me. Yeah.
Xiao Yin.
Are these the enemies you were telling me about?
Yes. So let's get them!
Take that, water boy!
Yeah, miss me.
Why don't you buzz off, flame brain? Uh-oh, only joking. Wah!
The monkey paw isn't working. This just keeps getting better. Get him, Grub!
Xiao Yan, is this some sort of trick?
Trick? What are you talking about?
Where are you going?
We're going to enjoy defeating you, aren't we, Xiao Yin?
Ow! Oh, I've forgotten how to use this thing.
Never mind. I'll do it myself. Big mistake, water boy.
I don't think so. Come on, Xiao Yin. We've got to get out of here.
I'm not going anywhere with you.
You're outnumbered, Raindrop. You might as well give up.
Or we can run for it.
Don't just stand there. After them.
You want me to burn down the forest? That'll flush him out.
No need. We've got the perfect bait to lure them back. Let me take you back to my fortress, Xiao Yin, where you'll be safe from those thugs.
I don't believe it. Xiao Yan's totally forgotten who she is.
Yeah, 1 minute she was fine. Okay, she was a bit snippy, but it wasn't my fault the lazy Susan spilled tea everywhere.
That's it. The tea. She was the only one who drank it.
You're right. The tea stand must have been another one of Boo's traps.
Hey, just as well I deliberately got rid of it.
We've got to go rescue Xiao Yan.
I guess we won't be going to the Well of Wellness now.
We'd never make it through the maze without Xiao Yan.
Yeah, she might be a pain in the tail know-it-all, but without her, we're lost.
Not necessarily. We've still got her notebook.
Okay, you two take the monkey paw to the well. I'll go rescue Xiao Yan. Who knows what horrible torture Boo's got planned for her?
Is this some kind of horrible torture chamber?
No, this is Grub's bedroom. And it's all yours now. All right, my dear. I suppose it could do with a little tidying up. Flamo, disinfect the whole place, remove the junk, and redecorate the room.
You got it.
Hey, I just got that looking nice. Where am I gonna sleep?
With Flamo.
Xiao Yan's notes are amazing. It's almost as if Master Yun knew she'd be coming on this quest.
Yeah, fascinating. Now can we just go? My monkey paw's getting sicker by the minute.
It's the middle door. No, wait!
No! On the tail! That was close. I would have been crushed.
If it hadn't been for Xiao Yan's notes.
You're right. They are amazing. I hope she's all right.
I don't trust her. I think she's faking.
Do you really think she'd let herself get thrown around by Grub if she hadn't lost her memory?
Then what good is she to us?
With Xiao Yin fighting on our side, we'll have no problem capturing the other elements. And then they'll never raise the Golden Dragon!
She doesn't know how to fight.
Not yet, but she's a quick learner.
It's okay. It's me, Raindrop. Listen to me. Boo's brainwashed you. He's not your friend. He's your enemy.
Liar! How dare you insult the great man!
I don't want to hurt you, Xiao Yan.
Too bad, because I want to hurt you!
Maybe that'll knock some sense into you. You're Xiao Yan, the wood element.
A wood element?
Yes. Concentrate on this staff. Imagine it's a part of you. Now hold out your hand.
You're right. It's all coming back to me. I'm Xiao Yin, the wood element.
Yes! Wait a minute. How do I know you're not pretending?
Because I'm not trying to kick your butt anymore.
Yeah. Now let's get out of here.
See? I told you Xiao Yan couldn't be trusted.
On the contrary, she's doing exactly what I told her to do.
Wow, this stuff she's got in here. Did you know that the square of the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides?
Which way?
Left. I mean, 10 minutes ago, I didn't even know what hypotenuse was.
Jin-Ho!
And I was pretty iffy about triangles.
Which way?
Right.
Jin-Ho, you can't litter the place like that.
Not litter, Niwa. It's Xiao Yan's first rule of mazes. Always leave a trail so you can find your way out again. Hang in there, Monkey Paw. We'll soon be at the Well of Wellness.
Where are the others?
I told them to go ahead. The monkey paw had to get to the Well of Wellness as soon as possible. Hopefully they've left a trail through the maze for us.
And did you know that the amount of water displaced by an object depends on the mass of the object, not the weight? So, if you know the mass of an object... Ah!
Check the map.
There's nothing wrong with the map, but that carving looks familiar. It says here that if I...
I hope this isn't another one of your games, Jinho. We don't have the time.
Got it! Amazing what you can achieve when you do things by the book. That's what I always say.
That's my girl. See? She's leading us straight to the other elements. With her help, those fools won't stand a chance against us.
I don't believe it. First the trail of banana skins, and now he's wedged its wall open. Jinho really is doing things by the book.
Here, a coloring in book.
Huh?
Get it? Coloring in book.
You guys, up here.
Look, they're nearly there.
Xiao Yin, you're back.
And you're just in time to help us cure my monkey paw. And we couldn't have done it without this.
What's that? Some sort of monkey manual? What?
She hasn't regained her memory.
She was faking.
Hurry, Jinho!
I've remembered how to use this, and you're not going anywhere.
But my monkey paw is going to perish.
That's just what General Boo wants.
If the well can cure the monkey paw, it must be able to cure Xiao Yan's memory.
Quick, Jinho, we need that water.
No! Oh, no! Now how are we going to save the monkey paw now?
Or help Xiao Yin get her memory back.
Who cares?
Whoa!
Woohoo! That just keeps getting funnier.
You don't know what you're doing, Xiao Yan. You've got to let us help you.
Aw, how nice. Too bad we're out of time. Master Boo's gonna be here any minute.
He is? How does he know where we are?
Oh, I know. I told him.
Terrace! Dragon Title!
Don't waste your time. Escape is futile. I've always wanted to say that.
Why am I always last? Ooh, a yummy thingy! Another yummy thingy!
Why do we have to fight all the time?
Because I love it. Yes, got you again.
We've got to do something. I don't know how much longer I can keep this up.
Boo-hoo! It's time to say bye-bye.
Oh yeah? We'll eat water ball, Flame Brain.
Brave words. Pity they'll be your last.
There's got to be something in here for getting water out of a well. A bowling ball? Nah. Hey, that reminds me of something I read in Xiao Yin's book. That's it!
That's what?
How to get water out of the well without a bucket.
Huh?
Niwa, I need a boulder!
I'm kind of busy.
Just do it!
I'll hold these guys off for as long as I can. Ah!
Not this time, Raindrop.
Yeah, big mistake, water boy.
just stand there gawking. Grab him!
Yikes!
Flamo, get the monkey!
Huh? Stay still, you slippery simian!
Not on your life!
You want to fight? Well, bring it on.
Get the mud girl!
Now, Niwa! Put the boulder in the well! It's just like the book said! The boulder's making the water rise in the well! But not enough! I need something else!
Something like a terror?
Hurry, Niwa. All we need is one drop to make the monkey paw well again.
Ha! Gotcha again.
Goody! Another yummy thingy!
Hey, Grub, fancy a little trip?
What? Hey!
Jinho, no!
Stop them!
Yes!
No!
What?
What am I doing here?
Xiao Yin, is that really you?
Of course it is. Who else would it be?
She's back! Come on! Let's get out of here!
After them!
They're gaining. We've got to lose them.
There they are!
Don't worry, they won't get away this time! How the heck did that happen?
Yeah, that should hold them for a while. Now let's get out of here!
I'll check the map in my notebook. Oh no! It's gone!
Oh, no, it's not! I got it covered! Follow me!
Jinho's using my notebook?
I'll explain later.
You buffoons! This is all your fault!
It's not all bad. At least now Xiao Yin's gone and I won't have to share with Grub anymore.
On the contrary, you've just given me the perfect idea for your punishment, Flamo. You're rooming in with Grub indefinitely!
But we're redecorating first.
No, 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 no!
We did it, thanks to Xiao Yan's notebook.
Welcome back, little buddy! From now on, it's nothing but the best for you.
You're looking after Monkey Paw and reading my notebook? When did you become a changed monkey?
About the time you started having a horrible snorty laugh.
What's naughty laugh?
Trust us, it was awful. At least we'll never have to hear it again now you've got your memory back.
I got you there, didn't I?